how to lock and unlock your keyboard on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. This can be handy if you need to prevent accident keystrokes or if you just want to keep your keyboard safe from unauthorized use. So let's dive right in. Locking and unlocking your keyboard can be done in a few different ways. I'll cover the most straightforward methods you can use. First, using Device Manager. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the context menu. In the Device Manager, expand the keyboard section. Right-click on your keyboard device, usually located or listed as the standard P5/2 keyboard or similar, and select Disable Device to lock it, or simply uninstalled device. To unlock the keyboard, you need to simply install it. After uninstalling, you can simply tap on Update Driver, and there you can find the usual standardized keyboard. But if you prefer a more user-friendly method, there are several third-party programs available that allows you to lock your keyboard with a simple click. And that's it. You've now learned how to lock and unlock your keyboard on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.